Welcome, in front of me is a POCO M5 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to prolong your battery life, all you would need to do is pull down your notification panel and locate the toggle for battery saver or power saving, however it's called. You have two pages so you can slide to the side, and I can see it right here, battery saver. Simply click on it and it enables it. Now it turns the kind of icon in this orangish yellowish color, which is different to any other toggle. As you can see, all of the rest are blue. And also it turns the same color your battery filling right here. Now with the power saving mode enabled, if you have any kind of higher refresh rate, those will be disabled. Wi-Fi and mobile data will be turned off when the device is not being used to preserve battery life. This will result in you not receiving any kind of notifications that would rely on internet connection. And those applications, just as to give an example, would be apps like Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so on. So if you're wondering why you're not getting any kind of notifications from apps that would normally give you those notifications and you are certain that you should be getting them, for instance, someone messages you and you know that they did, that is the reason, power saving mode. Now, that being said, power saving mode is one of the ways you can extend your battery life, but it's also not the only way. And probably one of the best ways to preserve your battery life would be to lower your max brightness, which is brightness that you're using right now. So right now, as you can see, for me, it's almost maxed out. Now, on the camera, it might look okay, like it's not too bright, not too dim, but just looking at it, I can make it much dimmer for myself, where I can still use the phone comfortably, like right now, but the battery life will be significantly increased because of the reduced brightness on the screen. That is probably going to be one of the biggest ways you can extend your battery life, but obviously I know it won't apply to everybody. Not everybody can change the brightness to, for instance, this extent and still be able to use the device, especially when you're outside and during the day. But anyway, so with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.